Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Logitech G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. Now, on the top side of the packaging, we can see the image of the keyboard. So we've got a very good idea of what it looks like. They mentioned that it is an RGB gaming keyboard, and that's also quite evident from the photo of the color combinations, which they like to mention can have up to 16.8 million combinations. Aside from that, on the front, you've got some mention of the warranty period, for which you should obviously check the Amazon store page listing to get proper details. Then you've got mention of the contents and also the operating systems with which this is compatible. So that includes Windows 10, Windows 8.1, 8, and Windows 7. There's nothing on the right-hand side or the left-hand side has the name of the product. And dimensions happen to be 218 millimeters of length, width is 452 millimeters, and height is 33 millimeters. Weight is about 1.1 kilos. On the underside, you can see that it has super low latency. So it's tuned for ultra quick responsive feedback with every keystroke. The G213 Prodigy is up to 4 times faster than standard keyboards. The anti-ghosting gaming matrix is tuned to keep you in control when you press multiple gaming keys simultaneously. Then you've got the mention of the number of RGB light combinations that are possible, which is 16.8 million. You've got multimedia keys, and it's also spill-proof, or rather spill-resistant. Over here, you've got the importer's contact information and address. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's get the documentation out of the way first. It mentions that it's simply plug and play, so you can stick it into your PC and head over to the support website to download the software, which would be required to control the lighting schemes and everything. Then you've got a little product notice. This is important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Always read through that or visit the Amazon store page to get more details. Coming to the keyboard itself, you've got a very broad layout, and the wrist is also quite wide. This is a full keyboard, so you've got all 104 or 105 keys. You've got the multimedia keys at the top, buttons dedicated for volume control, for the lighting, to enable or disable the game modes, and the indicators for all the different modes, as well as the caps lock, num lock, and scroll lock are at the top. It's not easy to pull out the keycaps, but once you do, you can see that it uses rubber dome keys. On the underside, you can see rubberized feet that's going along the entire length of the keyboard, or rather width, and you also have them at the top. The elevated feet do open up. Then we've got the cabling. It uses a standard USB Type A interface. You've got the Logitech G icon embossed, and on the other side, you can see a keyboard icon. The cabling is braided, so that helps with the durability of the cable. As for the cable length, we can see that this is about 1.5 to 1.8 meters long, which is quite enough for most folks who are building gaming PCs. So that's it for the unboxing of the Logitech G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching.